Greetings, this is the Matchbox Faun Quarry dump truck. It's modeled after an actual truck manufactured by a German company whose name I'm not even going to try to pronounce, other than to say that it basically translates into vehicle factories of Ansbach and Nuremberg. The company's been around for over 150 years and today makes a variety of trucks and cranes. This is their K80. Matchbox started producing this in 1979 and released it in a variety of color combinations and liveries. Yellow with the red bed was produced in 1979 and then again from 1992 to 1995. Matchbox also produced this cab as a tanker and as a crane. I don't recall where I got this, but I thought it might be a fun casting to clean up a little bit and restore, so stick around. This is Time Rider, and I'll leave the light on for you.